Now let us learn comparison of rational numbers. We know that for any pair of numbers on a number line, the number to the left is smaller than the other. Also, if the numerator and the denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. It remains the same. That is, a upon b is equals to ka upon kb. Means we have 2 upon 3. If we multiplied by the 5 to the numerator and the denominator, the value of that fraction remains the same. That is, a 2 by 3 is equals to 10 upon 15. Now example number 1. Compare the numbers 5 by 4 and 2 by 3. Write using the proper symbol less than, equal to, greater than. Now we have, that is 5 by 4 and 2 by 3. Now the denominators are the different. We make their denominator as the same. म्हणजे 5 by 4 ला आपण न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटरला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार आणि 2 by 3 ला न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटरला 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Then you will get the denominator as the same. That is, a 15 upon 12 is greater than 8 upon 12. Compare the rational numbers, that is a minus 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. Now every time the negative number is less than the positive number. Therefore, minus 7 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 5. To compare the negative numbers, let us verify that if a and b are the positive numbers such that a is less than b, then minus a is greater than minus b. For example, 2 is less than 3, but minus 2 is greater than minus 3. That is, the negative number, smaller the negative number, is greater. 5 by 4 is less than 7 by 4. But minus 5 by 4 is greater than minus 7 by 4. Verify using the number line. Now compare the numbers, that is a minus 7 by 3 and minus 5 by 2. Again, we will make their denominator as the same. 7 by 3 will multiply n and d by the 2. Then you will get 14 upon 6. 5 by 2, then multiplied again, numerator and denominator by 3, then you will get 15 by 6. Now in this case, minus 7 by 3 is greater than minus 5 by 2. Now next example, that is a 3 by 5 and 6 by 10 are the rational numbers and compare them. Now we can write it, that is a 3 by 5, that is a 3 into 2 and 5 into 2, that is 6 by 10, and 3 by 5, that is equals to 6 by 10. Therefore, the following are the rules to compare the rational numbers. Now we'll see the practice set 1.2. Compare the following numbers. Now the first number is, that is a minus 7 and minus 2. Now here minus 7 is less than minus 2, and for the second one, 0 and minus 9 by 5. Now in this case, 0 is greater than minus 9 by 5. Now third is 8 upon 7 and the 0. Now it's clear that the 8 upon 7 is greater than 0. Fourth, minus 5 by 4 and 1 upon 2. In this case, the 1 upon 4 is a positive number and minus 5 by 4 is a negative number. It's clear that 1 upon 4 is greater. Now next, we'll see that is a minus 25 upon 8 and minus 9 by 4. And now in this case, their denominators are the different. Minus 9 by 4. Now multiplied numerator and denominator of the second fraction, that is a minus 9 by 4 by 2. that is a minus 9 into 2 and 4 into 2, that is equals to 18 upon 8. Therefore, minus 25 upon 8 minus 18 upon 8. Now in this case, the minus 18 upon 8 is a greater one. Therefore, minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 18 upon 8. Therefore, minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 9 by 4. If we want to compare the fractions whose denominators are different. Now in this example, there is a 12 upon 15, comma 3 upon 5. प्रत्येकदा डिनोमिनेटर सेम करायलाच पाहिजे असं काही नाही की इथे मग आपण 12 चे फॅक्टर्स करू शकतो. 3 into 4 means 12. 3 into 5 means 15. Now in this case we cancel here. Therefore you will get 4 upon 5, comma 3 upon 5. Now in this case denominators are the same. Therefore 4 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 5. Therefore the first fraction is a greater one. म्हणून या स्टेप्सने जर तुम्ही लिहिलं की पहिला फ्रॅक्शन हा दुसऱ्या फ्रॅक्शन पेक्षा मोठा आहे, means what 12 upon 15 is greater than 3 upon 5. Next, minus 7 upon 11 and minus 3 by 4. Now again in this case their denominators are different. म्हणजे पहिल्या फ्रॅक्शनला आपल्याला 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायला पाहिजे. That is 7 into 4 upon 11 into 4 minus 3 into 11 and 4 into 11. That is minus 28 upon 44, comma minus 33 upon 44. Therefore, minus 28 upon 44 is a greater than minus 30 upon 44, and hence minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. And hence the answer, that is a minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. In this way, we have completed the practice set 1.2. We will see the next practice set 1.3